Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya and I create videos about savings, budgeting, and organizing. I created this channel in order to stay accountable towards my goals, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of the challenges that I'm currently doing that is perfect for anyone that's on a fixed income or low income that are trying to start saving money for their children or trying to get their feet wet in budgeting. So if that interests you, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. In this particular savings challenge, it is a 52-week challenge where you deposit a specific amount every week into your jar, and at the end of the at the end of the 52 weeks, you will end up with $344.50 just by you're starting off with 25 cents. And so every week you double it and you end up getting that amount. So I have this particular savings and other ones similar to it, and the link in the description box below. It'll be straight into a Pinterest that you guys can check out. You can see it's in there listed, and this isn't just for kids. This one just says for kids, so this is the one I'm doing for my children, and I find that this is one of the easiest ways for me to save. And so I'm currently on week 7, which I'm going to write it now, and it is for today is the 16th, I believe. February 16th. I'm going to be adding it into both of their adults because I have 2 children. And this is something I wanted to do to make sure that I stay accountable towards this. So each month I'll check in with you guys to show my progress. And so I'm going to add the money into the jars, and I'm gonna take it out and count with you guys to show you what I have so far. And just if you're wondering, I got the Mason bank jars. The Mason jars, which I made into a bank jar from the 99 cents only store. This one's tinted blue and this one's tinted pink. One for my daughter, one for my son. And then I got these magnetic containers from the Dollar Tree, which is supposed to be, I think, for paper clips, but I'm using it for the money that I'm supposed to put in for the end of the week, because every Sunday I put the money that's on the deposit portion into here on Mondays so that I can make sure I put it in on Sunday so I won't forget. So in each of these jars I should have $7 once I add the change in there. So I'll do my son's first. I should leave it off. My son's first. So yeah, this is a pretty easy challenge. This one, it's not gonna break the bank or really take away too much from other items that you plan on doing on a regular basis. This is the money that I'm depositing. That's the $1.75. And that is $7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that goes into the jar. And I find that this is actually pretty easy for me to do, because what I do is on Monday morning, I go and fill up on gas, of course, at the beginning of the week for my workers. And I get cash back towards all the savings challenges that I'm doing. I like the fact that this is magnetic because it sticks to the top of the jar, so it doesn't come off. And my daughter's jar. And with that, there's a self-serve car wash right behind the the gas station. So once I fill up, I go right around, just like do like a little turnover into the next parking lot. I go and put the money that I received from the cash back into there to get quarters for the challenges that I'm doing. That way I can put it into the things or the little containers that I have to set up for that week, for that Sunday, to stay accountable, or the other one I have daily. So yeah, I found that's easier for me. Or you can even go, if you don't have that, you can always go to a laundromat if you don't have a self-serve car wash in your area. Or you can go to the bank and ask for cash back, or ask for quarters or nickels or dimes or whatever the case may be. Well, this is quarters. You're doing the quarter challenge, basically. And for her, it's $1.75. And that's $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's basically that simple. Like I just basically do this, and each week, as you can tell, each week you just double up what you, not even double up, it's add a quarter to the previous week's deposit. So I started off with 25, and went to 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. Next week is $2. So tomorrow I'll pull $2. Make sure I have $4. I'll get $10 cash back, and I'll get all that in change, and I'll put, oops, I missed a quarter. And I'll basically put the $2 into the containers on top so that I'll have it for Sunday. And so what I'm gonna do is once a month I'll check in with you guys to see where I'm at. So at the end of March, the last week of March, I'll come back and check in again, and we should be about maybe either week 11 or 12. I'm assuming 12 when I'll be adding $3 in. And so I should have $19.50 in both of the jars by then. So I'll check in again, I think there, because we're on 2, 4, 2. So yeah, it'll probably be week 12. On week 12, I'll check in again with you guys to show you my progress, which I'll be adding $3 into both jars, and I should have $19.50. So this is the challenge, and I thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if this is something that you guys would be interested in doing, or if you know someone that this would be great for them to do, or adding a new quarter to the previous week. And yeah, so I will leave the link in the description box below for the Pinterest that has this attached to it, which it will have the 52 weeks, it will say for kids. There's also one for teens, for the same one that says teens, and there has one that doesn't have anything, it just has it towards blank. But it's up to you guys. I thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Comment down below, and yes, have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, a great rest of your weekend. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.